Let's move over to ground penetrating radar, or for short, GPR. The GPR principle was invented over 90 years ago. And for 90 years, users have only been able to scratch the surface of the true capabilities of this amazing physical principle. With GPR, you can look deep into materials and visualize what is otherwise hidden to the eye. The archaic implementation of GPR that has been sold to the market is called pulsed GPR. You ping the material around a particular center frequency, and this is where the dilemma lies. High frequencies mean low penetration depths while seeing smaller targets, while low frequencies means deeper penetration but only seeing large targets. This was the reality until early 2018, when we brought relief to the endless pain points of the industry. We made traditional pulse GPR obsolete for concrete applications by introducing the world's first handheld and wireless stepped frequency continuous wave GPR solution. Not one center frequency, but sweeping through the complete frequency spectrum that is relevant. From low frequencies to high frequencies, giving you one device that can see deep and resolve small objects at the same time. With the smart combination of the unique SFCW sensor technology and our powerful software running on the iPad, we gave the world unmatched performance, data clarity, and user experience. We continue to push the envelope of what is possible with continuous over-the-air performance updates because we can, because we have engineered our solution from the ground up with all required frequencies on board as an ever-evolving platform solution that keeps getting better and better over time. This means that your investment into our solutions will always stay up to date. Now, that's me saying this, but let's dial in someone who has been in the GPR space for most of his professional career. Hello, Massachusetts, and hi, Matt Dragon. How are you doing?
Hey, Marcel, I'm doing great. And what a great show your team has put together.
Why don't you share your experience in the GPR space?
Over the last decade and a half, I've represented 2 international GPR vendors and also worked for the largest service provider. I've seen and experienced the challenges these scanning contractors face. These challenges always come back to 2 issues. The first issue is ease of use. The second issue is data quality.
How are we different?
With our technology, we've given contractors what they want. An intuitive user experience, data clarity down to the bottom of the slab, and with our subscription offering, a solution that never gets old, it just gets better and better. For example, augmented reality. It's a real game changer. And we're just at the beginning of the disruption we've unleashed into the concrete GPR space.
Tell me, what is it that customers love about our solutions?
With traditional pulsed radar, you talk via several antennas and big blue cables and boxes, and this all is dragged across a busy job site. With the GP8000 and the GP8800, we've dispensed with this awkward conglomeration of patched together boxes, and we have simplified and perfected the form factor of the hardware to create a truly wireless antenna.
Matt, great to have you on the team, and thanks for sharing these insights.
Anytime, Marcel, and I cannot wait to see what you guys unveil next.